Welcome to Syracuse University's Center for Science and Technology and Life Sciences Complex, two connected buildings where discovery is part of everyday student life. If you're picturing your future at the College of Arts and Sciences, this could be it. State-of-the-art laboratories, applied coursework, and research that starts long before graduate school. These buildings bring together A&S departments and programs including biology, chemistry, biochemistry, neuroscience, biotechnology, and forensic science under one roof. They are joined by the Bio-Inspired Institute and researchers from the College of Engineering and Computer Science, making this one of the places where SU's commitment to hands-on science comes to life every day. Inside, you'll find labs built for doing. Dedicated research spaces on multiple floors give faculty and student researchers room to pursue questions spanning from groundbreaking weight loss drugs to drought-resistant crops. In the Blatt Bioimaging Center, students get hands-on access to advanced confocal microscopes and imaging systems, the same cutting-edge equipment researchers use to watch biological processes unfold in real time. At conferences in the Milton Atrium, students present original research and poster competitions and talk shop with fellow researchers, building connections that can lead to internships and jobs after graduation. Move between buildings through the shared atrium and you'll pass classmates heading to lecture halls, research labs, and even a greenhouse, spaces where coursework and discovery blend together every day. Here, science isn't just something students watch happen from the sidelines. It's something they help make happen one experiment at a time.